Bybit will be launching a new token on their IDO Web3, and you'll be able to get this token before it started trading on the marketplace. Let me show you some example and make money with this process. Right here, this token just been offered on their launchpad. On Web3 IDO, you see this token has already done 8x. That's 800% return on investment if you're able to get this token. And right here, I'm going to go back, press cancel, and come to this on your dashboard. Come to this Web3, press Web3. This is the token I talked about right here that already make 800 APY return on investment, and this token is in progress phrase. And right here, until snapshot period starts, it's going to be 3 days 21 hour 8 minutes. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to get full details about IDO or how to make money in crypto. Anything about tokens is generally step-by-step guide on how to participate. Right here, you need to press view more details if you want to get full information about this project. The first option is subscription right here, and right here you'll be able to subscribe right here right now if you want to participate in this event. I'm going to press subscribe right now. You see you have subscribed for this event. Once you press OK, and right here you need to follow this instruction right here. I have one ticket in this event. I need to hold at least minimum of 300 USDC on Polygon chain. Failure to maintain this balance during the snapshot period will result in ineligibility. Up to 3 snapshots will be taken per day during this snapshot period from 03:04 10 o'clock UTC time to 03:07 10 o'clock UTC time. That's next month 7. And right here, here's the price this token is being offered on this IDO. Right here, this is the timeline of this IDO. You just need to come over here to read all this. I said the most important in this event is you maintain 300 USDC value on Polygon chain. And right here you can fund your account using this mode. You need to create your wallet on IDO or Web3 wallet on Bybit already. I've made a video about that on my channel. Make sure you check my channel out if you don't know how to create a new wallet, Web3 wallet on Bybit. So you need to fund your account with this address, and you just need to press 300 and fund your account. Once you fund your account, when this snapshot period starts, you'll be able to get this snapshot during this lottery ticket. And hopefully when the lottery starts, if you find your number right here on this lottery, so you'll be able to purchase in this event. Note, total winning ticket is 250 people that is going to be able to get this ticket, and total redeem value is 200 USDC. So right here you'll be able to buy this 200 USDC per ticket. You see right here I have this one ticket, so if I got lucky with this lottery system right here, I'll be able to buy this 200 worth of this token. And right here if I go back, and right here you're able to get this token at this price right here. The name of this token, QORPO words. And when you go back to this exchange, you'll be able to find this token right here. It's being offered at 0.0333 on the IDO, and right here this token is trading over 8x. And imagine you invest $200 in this project, you'll be having a good return on investment over $1,600. So that's what I want to share with you guys. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. And any point in time, if you don't understand what I'm talking in this video, you can just try to rewatch any section or any way you don't understand, or just comment. I'm going to explain it to you more better on the comment in this comment section. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.